Hey guys, so I'm back again with a new bloom cell activator recipe. If you're new, be sure to check out the cell activator showdown video to get caught up. I'll link that video in the description along with the full playlist for the other recipes that I've shared. If you've been following along, I am working with the cell activator number 3 from the showdown today. For this recipe, you'll need Floetrol, Amsterdam Pouring Medium, GAC 800, and Minwax Pre-Stain. I'm using 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part Amsterdam, and half a part of GAC 800. I then added 6 to 8 drops of the Pre-Stain and mixed it well. From there you can add in your paint color of choice. If you want to use mica powders in your cell activator, just mix it with a small amount of the Amsterdam or GAC first to get the clumps out, then mix with your activator. For my color choices today, I can't really give you the exact colors I used. I custom mixed these paints, so I'll tell you the colors that I used, but I can't tell you how much of each because, honestly, I don't remember. I love playing around with paints and micas to come up with different shades and shine. I asked Santa for a paint mulling set this Christmas, so maybe I'll have some videos for that for you soon. If you're interested, I'll list the color combinations in the description. A few of you expressed interest in the cells that were formed by this recipe. I did this painting and I have a set of tiles to bring you, and I do mostly swipes in my blooms. I can never seem to get the blowouts quite right, so that's my preferred method. That being said, I have 2 tiles in the next experiment with this activator that I did blowouts on to show you the difference that it can make. You can definitely tell the difference in the cell structure between the 2 methods. We have covered 3 different recipes to help achieve gorgeous cells in acrylic blooms. 4 if you include the original recipe that I've used before this quest. I still have 2 more mixtures to share with you guys. In these experiments, I'm finding that different pouring mediums added to the mix give wildly different results. Even some of the mixtures that have similar ingredients ended up with different cell structures. I think the addition of the extra pouring medium has really been a game changer. The combination of the natural cell action you get from the Floetrol is just expanded on with the cell action from the other mediums. Now this started out as a mission to find alternatives to Australian Floetrol. I kind of began with the idea of finding a cheaper alternative, but is more evolved into finding different recipes that give different kinds of cells. The recipes that I have shared are only cheaper if you already have these mediums. I highly recommend getting some regardless of if you're doing blooms, because they're awesome in regular pours too, so they're very versatile. I'm going to keep it relatively short for me today. I will post the ratio recipe in the description in case you missed it or you need to go back and look. What do you guys think? Will you be giving this cell activator recipe a try? If you've been around for the other experiments, which one is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all the new activator recipes that I have coming for you. I put out a new video every Tuesday and Friday. That's it from me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.